To connect Stripe with QuickBooks 2025, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a QuickBooks 2025 account and a Stripe account. Log into your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Apps tab. Search for Stripe in the search bar and click on the result. Then click the Get App Now button. Next, you will be redirected to the Stripe login page, where you will enter your Stripe login credentials. After logging in, you will be asked to authorize QuickBooks to access your Stripe account. Click the Authorize Access to this account button. You will then be redirected back to QuickBooks, where you can configure the connection settings. Choose the bank account where you want to deposit your Stripe funds and select the default account. For Stripe fees, you can also set up automatic transaction importing, which allows QuickBooks to automatically import your Stripe transactions on a daily basis. To do this, click on the settings icon and select Automatic Transaction Import. Choose the date range for which you want to import transactions and click the Connect button. Your Stripe account is now connected to QuickBooks 2025. You can verify the connection by checking the Apps tab, where you should see the Stripe app listed as connected. It is essential to regularly review your transactions to ensure they are accurate and up to date. You can do this by navigating to the Banking tab and selecting the bank account where your Stripe funds are deposited. From here, you can view and reconcile your transactions. By following these steps, you can successfully connect your Stripe account with QuickBooks 2025 and streamline your payment processing and accounting tasks. This integration will help you save time and reduce errors, allowing you to focus on growing your business.